everyone, my name is Deepak Rana. My star ID is 2383913. I am from Libra Ford Police One. Today I am doing comparison between the Ford Figo next generation and Maruti Suzuki Swift. Let's talk about the differences we have between the Ford Figo next generation and Maruti Suzuki Swift. Let's come to front. If we talk about the front, then you can see a very well located Ford logo along with trapezoidal road grills. Make your American brand more stylish and powerful than the Swift. Now, also there are given road crystal clear headlamps with bezel fog lamps, which make the car more stylish and smarter than the Swift. On the other hand, if we talk about the Swift, Swift closes out the connector lines on the front side. So, we can say that Ford Figo is more smartest and stylish than the Maruti Swift. Now, if you talk about the technology, if you talk about the diesel engine, Figo comes with a 1.5 liter ADCI technology, which produces 100 PS best in segment power. On the other hand, if you talk about the Swift diesel engine, it comes with 1.2 liter ADI-S technology, which produces 75 PS power. Let's talk about the petrol engine. Figo comes with two types of engine. First, it is coming with 1.2 liter TIVCT technology, which produces 88 PS power. And on the second type, it is comes with 1.5 TIVCT DPS6 6-speed automatic transmission, which produces 112 PS power. On the other hand, if we talk about the Swift petrol engine, it comes with also 1.2 liter PVT technology, which produces 84 PS. At the last, we can say that if we are getting more powerful and more power engine in Ford Figo than Maruti Suzuki Swift. Now, if you talk about the warranty, Ford Figo comes with 2 years and 1 lakh kilometer, while on the other side, Swift comes with 2 years and 40,000 kilometers. So you are getting more kilometers in warranty. That is a beneficial for the customer while claiming on the other. Now comes to second side. In this side you can see a very well character lines are given, which make your car and give a bold look than Maruti Suzuki Swift. While on the other hand, Swift loses the character lines, so make a simple look. Now, if you talk about the ground clearance, Ford Figo comes with a ground clearance of 174 mm. That is the highest in the segment. And on the other side, if you talk about the Maruti Suzuki Swift, Swift comes with a ground clearance of 170 mm. So you are getting more comfort and convenience on the floppy roads. Now, if you talk about a large wheelbase, Ford Figo comes with a wheelbase of 2491 mm, and instead of that, Swift comes with a wheelbase of 2430. So there is a larger wheelbase in Ford Figo. This will benefit the customer how you are getting more knee room, more leg room in Ford Figo, the next generation. Let's come to rear end. At the rear end, we want to share many more information to you. Like you can see, a very well centered Ford logo is centered. This describes the behind person which brand you are using. Also, we are getting of total 257 liter of boot space in the Ford Figo. On the other hand, in Swift it is coming with 204 liter. The more luggage space you are getting in Ford Figo. Also, if you talk about the rear fog lamps, the rear fog lamps are integrated in rear tail lamps. This result is of maintenance cost free. Now let's talk about the smart features in Ford Figo coming. Many more smart features are coming in Ford Figo next generation, while Swift loses out these smart features like sync application. It is a voice control system. The entire music system is controlled by voice commands. It is not available in Swift top variant also. And many more other features are there like Ford My Dock. You can even dock your phone in front dashboard, and you can run the navigation video on video in your mobile phone. After that, many more safety features also there. 6 airbag best in segment are there uh, in the top variant of the Ford Figo, which provide comfort, convenience, and safety to the customer while driving on the road. At last, I just want to say that uh, Ford Figo is more stylish, smarter, give a bold and muscular look is than Swift, and you can purchase in from the Ford dealership. Thank you so much. My name is Deepak Rana.